Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Koresgi or Kid School channel. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you SST subject of grade 4th. We have completed lesson number 6, isn't it? Yeah. So we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 7. Lesson number name is sending a messages. Okay students, before starting up the lesson, I will ask you some question. So you think or imagine if anything is not there. For example, mass media, whatever the communication is, it is nowadays smartphones is there and so much advanced technology has come. If it is not there, what happened? What could be happen in this generation? Yes, can you imagine? Can you guess? Yes, it is not possible to communicate each other because this is the only one media where we can talk each other, we can express our expressions, isn't it? We can express our feelings, our information, we can share it. But if it is not there, what happens? Yes, so it is very important for us. So we will go detail in this lesson. So lesson number is sending messages. What we are going to learn in this lesson? We will learn in this lesson about the meaning of communication. Yes, I am telling you all the communication. What is the meaning of that? And the next we will learn in this different means of personal communication. So we have different type of communication. So we will learn in this. Next, we have a postal systems. Emails, telephones, cell phones, smartphones. We have a different means of communications. They are postal. What is postal system? Will let us know that. Email is what, telephones what, cell phones what, smartphone. Everything we'll learn in this lesson. And what else we are going to cover? The topic is the different means of mass communication, that is paper, radio and television. So what you are having, just have a look over here. Some hands are there, they are carrying cell phones. What does it mean to you all? It's nothing but what we are messaging to your friends or chatting to your friends or relatives, what information you are sharing it. So message, this is the one media where you can send message to several people at a time. Okay students, and what is this? This is another type of communication where we come face to face and we talk, we express, we feeling and everything. So this is one type of communication where we come physically, will come in front of it. Okay. Now when we share our thought, yes, when we sharing is what? When we exchange our thought, what you are thinking about the other person, what you are having an ideas and then feelings, or that exchanging information with the people is what is called communication, students. So we say we are communicating, yes. For example, we say we are communicating. Speech is the fastest method of communication. Speech is the fastest method of communication between the people. Now I will give an example, students, so you will learn you can understand more perfectly. First of all, I am going to give a small example, easy example. In your class you will meet, or your friends you meet nearby. Okay, isn't it? So what do you do? You want to play with him. So what do you do? Just you do friendship, and what do you tell? Come friend, we'll play together. So you are telling what you are thinking about. So you are calling your friend together. So what is that? Information you are sharing your friends. So that is called communicating, isn't it? So if you want to tell anything to your friend or some other friends or your sisters, brothers, so what you are telling? You are giving information, or you are taking, or you are listening to your parents. That is nothing but communicating to each other. If for example you think you will not listening to others, what will happen? Yes, you can't do work properly, isn't it? So it is very necessary for us to all communicate. So we'll go for the next point, that is speech. Speech is the fastest method of communication between people. Yes, two friends were there, or two sisters are there, brother and sisters are there, whatever we are talking, speech, that is very important. It is very fastest method of communication between the people. However, when we have to share our feelings or exchange information with people who are not physically present with us. So what happened here, what we are telling it, say when we use mobile, when you are the physically, your parents might be, your sisters are there, friends are there, so they are outside somewhere, they are working somewhere else. So that time you need to communicate. How it is possible for you all students? Yes, is it possible? You want to tell something and at the home you are not possible to tell, you forgot it, you want to message, that is very emergency. How you can do it? One is that communication, and one more is fastest, what we are using it, that physically is not there, that thing the information should be sharing to that person. How it is possible? It is not possible walking and going. So what is it? Yes, cell phone media. So you take a call, you put a number, dialing, you're calling it, so this information is sent in a second or a minute. It will pass to the message. Okay students, if it is not there, you are all using it mobile, so very well you know it. How very much important is a cell phone media, or you have the laptops, we're working we are doing all the work from home, online education, isn't it? The exchanging information is very much important. You want to invite the people, they are not physically with you, what do you do it? You take a phone and you can call it, and then this is a marriage, and a marriage function is come to a home. This is a day and when you all decide, and you type a message and you send to your parents, or you send to your relatives or your friends circle, isn't it? So it is very easy for us to do the work in time span. Okay students, so this is very much important. In these cases we send the messages. So there are several ways of sending messages. We having a different type of sending messages, so we will learn in that. So either we can send a letter or a telegram to a friend. So we having different type of messages, we can send it. So many options are there. First one, telegram. Now what is telegram students? Before we coming to up this, in olden days we have a telegram, like a postcards, and then or you can go for letters. This you cannot see now because it is not there. Everywhere we having a smart mobiles, you cannot see the letters. These are in olden days, this is the only communication we can do with the people. Okay, this is the way how we can talk to each other, or we can send information. Now talk to her over the phone or send an email. You all know this. Either whatever you want to talk to your parents, uncle, mommy, auntie, everywhere. What is the option? You take a mobile, you dial a number and you can call. This is the one option, you all do it. And the second one, now we having an email on our mobiles. Email, you have to type your text and everything and you have to send. And what is important for it here to send? Internet. Internet is very much important. So long ago, in olden days, people sent messages through carrier pigeons, or had to send someone with the message. Before sending the letters only, what we have olden days, the people used to pigeons has to carry the letter in their mouth and they have to fly, and they will post the letters. Or else one more option is there, like that they have to send a message to a person where he'll go to all the houses and he has to give the message. In olden days, they used to prefer this one. However, we now have more reliable and faster methods of sending message. Now it was about the past, like in olden days it was to happen. Now what we having? We having a faster methods of communications. So how to send this? Let us read about a few of them. Now before starting up the new, we will go for this. Did you know? What you all know? Another method of sending messages. Olden method is, one is the pigeon carrier and one was the person who will go to one houses to other houses. Second method is that social networking sites such as Facebook or WhatsApp. Now you all having everything, WhatsApp group. So this is a group where you have to, particular person, you have to type the message and it will go to that person. This is another kind of sending messages through Facebook or WhatsApp. The next one is, a message can be sent either to a single person or to several friends. Here also we having options. So you want to send a single message to your personally one friend only, so you can go for that option, or else the same message should be forwarded to all the several people, so you can go for that option also. We having two options, either to a single person or to a several persons or several friends, you can do it. Now first one is we having a postal system. In olden days, we used to have a post office which is in red color. Post office where we have to write a letter and we have to drop it in that, whereas the postman will come and he will take that on that particular address, he will deliver the post letters to that house. So what is that? The postal system was established, where it was established for sending messages, where the postman he is to run on a bicycle, where he having he has to carry the letters, all the letters or the money orders. There are thousands of post offices all over India. This is where we having a post office head like this, where we having thousands of post offices all over India. We can send the letters through different post offices, where it works office, where we can send different places, different letters to different post offices. Now, we can also send money orders and parcels. Not only letters or invitations we can send it, apart with that also we can send money order. Now, what is money order, student? Money order means where are the people who, for example, where the family is earning person, he is earning somewhere in out of station and he has to send every month money to their family. What he is to do, he can't come every time. It is not possible for him or her to come to their native house or native place. So what the option they can adopt is the money order. So in that they have to write whatever the information, along with that he can send money with that money order. So about how much he can, that much he can write in that, he have attached with money, that money order what will go to the particular house only. This is about the money order. Or not only we can send money, also we can send parcels or like gifts. Gift to your parents or your family members or to your friends. We can send on their occasions like birthdays, whatever it may be. You can send gifts or you can send parcels to the house. So this facility is also there in the post office. So this is like money orders and the parcels. Now post offices also offer courier service, yes, known as speed post. What is speed post, students? Nowadays we having all that Amazon and everything, isn't it? Flipkart, online shopping. When you all do online shopping, what will happen? You you choose and everything, and then within 2 days or within a week it will come to your house. How it comes? It is come through the courier system. Courier as well as company or the particular person you hire it, that person will come to our house. So this is a courier, and it is known as also speed post. Post offices also offer the courier services. Letters sent through speed post take only 1 or 2 days to reach any city in India. So whatever the courier systems are there, the courier people, speed post, speed only it is come. So it will deliver your parcels, couriers, whatever, it will deliver within 1 or 2 days to reach any city within India. Courier services are also offered by a number of other private companies in India. So courier, not only we having courier services also offered, it is offering your number of a private companies also. It's not only we having a Post India, we having a private companies which offer courier systems, like we having all different type online shopping methods are there. Now email, we have completed our postal cards. Now we'll come to the email. What is email? A very convenient and fast method of sending messages today is electronic mail or email. What is email? Email full form. E for electronic mail or email. We can call it as E for electronic mail or email. What is this? It is very convenient or the faster method of sending messages, that is called email. How it will work on? It can be sent through computers or to cell phones. Where it is very compulsory, it is internet should be there. These days, emails can also sent through mobile phones. Yes, it was previously emails or electronic mail. It should be sent through computers only, where internet connection was compulsory. Nowadays, what happened? Email can be sent through our mobile phones or smartphones. Now, telephone, you all know it as usual by seeing this image. You can tell me this is telephone. The telephones is the fastest and the most convenient means of sending spoken messages. Telephone is what spoke. We verbally will what we are telling it, that information or that all is can be very convenient. We can sit nicely. We can hour and hour we can speak. Almost every city and town in India is now connected by telephone. Yes, not only rural people or urban people, all over, almost every city and the town also, everybody having a telephone. We can instantly talk to anyone, anywhere in India. So this is a massive means of communication where telephone we can at any place or at anywhere we can talk to that person and anywhere in the world. To talk to someone in another city in India, we use the code. So every person would be having a telephone, isn't it? So how to speak within India, or we have within the city of Shalapur is that. So your relatives, it might be in Pune, Hyderabad, Telangana, in that places. So different places are there. If you want to talk, so we having some codes are there. That is what we having a STD. What is STD? Subscriber trunk dialing. That is facility we have to use that. To talk to someone in another country, that is called the ISD. Now your friends, relatives, cousins, whatever, though maybe they are out of country, out of country I'm talking. If they are out of country, America, Russia, China, anything, UK, if they are in that country places, so what you have to do? You have to do the international subscriber dialing facility. You have to use that. That is called nothing but ISD code. You have to front that, you have to dial that code, and that after that particular phone number, then it will go to that particular person. Then you can talk. Now cell phones. Now this is where you can see it by cell phone only. Yes, this is the old models, Nokia, Samsung, everything. So mobile or cellular phones we can call it, are phones that can be carried along with you. Whereas telephones are there, can we carry with us? No, it is not possible. It is convenient and fastest communication verbally. But where cell phones we can carry within our pocket, we can carry in our purse, isn't it? That we can carry anywhere. They are very convenient. If we want to go anywhere at any place, we can talk. We can also send short messages through our mobile phones using the short messaging service, that is nothing but SMS. SMS is nothing but short messaging service. With the short cell phones or mobiles, what we having, at the time you cannot talk. So what you can do? You can simply type a message and you can send. What is that? That is called SMS, short messaging service. Now, one question, what is that? Did you know that with cell phones becoming cheap and now new methods of sending urgent messages such as email and SMS, fewer and fewer people are sending handwritten letters now. Now you have to know all this. Due to this advanced technologies, we are coming cell phones, iPhones, Apple phones, all different type of. So cell phones become cheaper. Cheaper means we can get in a less rate. Less rate, in that we can buy our cell phones, and new method of sending urgent messages, on that we can use emails, we can send SMS, we can send. So due to that, all we are using it, new applications are coming. So what happening, we are using day by day new technologies, so it is becoming less what, using the letters. We are not seeing that letters. It takes long time to get a reply from that particular person. So it is quick. What we can do? We can type a message and we can send to your friend. Quick, immediately we can get a reply of that. Smartphones. Yes, you all know it. These days smartphones are popular. Yes, everybody are popular with that smart mobiles. Apart from allowing you to make calls, smartphones can be used to connect to the internet, send and receive emails, take pictures and view them, and download and listen to music. Yes, smart mobiles, what we can do it, students? Yes, we can download music, we can download pictures, we can see that, we can watch movie, and what we can do it? Yes, we can pictures we can take through cameras, and we can send through internet. We can search a lot what you are not knowing from the Googles, and then what we can do it? We can use it as send the emails and can receive the emails too. All excellent features we can use it through smart mobiles. Now this is whereas touch mobiles, where when we touch with our finger it will work out. Now do you all know, students, what is this? Yes, somebody knows, some might be not knowing, so now you will know it. What is this? Fax machine. It looks like telephone type only, but it is length will be little bigger size. Where we can, this is fax machine where we can get a paper or something written on it. So we will know detailing in that. To instantly send written messages or pictures, we can use the fax facility. That is not facsimile is a document sent over the telephone. So what is this fax machine? Fax machine is nothing but where it has work like a telephone, but the thing is we can get a written messages. What we are using mobiles or smart mobiles, we can all get through in that only, but paper it will be written at, we can get out, and we can get pictures also. If you are sending birthday picture, you want to, so to better explain you all, I will give an example. You are drawing, your father is somewhere outside, okay, your father is somewhere, he is working in the office. So what you are thinking, you would draw a very beautiful picture, you draw, you color it, and you want to show to your father, your papa. So at present your father is not there, so what option you can go it? One thing, you have to take a picture and you can send to internet. Yes, you can do this operation, and do that fax machine is there. How you can do it? So in that what you have did, you can send that same to your father also through fax machine, isn't it, students? So this is nothing but the fax machine, where we can get a written messages, or we can send pictures also. Now for this you need a fax machine connected to a telephone line. What is necessary for this? The telephone should be connected to a fax machine, then only it will work. Now let us, what will go? So this is about the mass media. We have finished off fax machine, we will come to the mass media. What is mass media? So this is all about communication. We have seen different types of means of communication. First one we have through postal system. What is postal system? Where we can write a letter and we can send to your relatives or your friends. But what happened here? We can get a reply late. So this is a postal system we have seen. We have seen the telephone, where it is very convenient to all to talk to all relatives, friends, cousins and everything, isn't it? But how it is possible? So though communication is done when the persons are alone, if they are physically very far away from the places, how about we can do it? We can choose smart mobiles. These all are the means of communication. It is made very easy for us to all, isn't it? So all about this. So what you need to do, students? You have to read the lesson and underline the new words. Okay, till then, bye bye, have a nice day.